Welcome to Data Mine Hub, a platform to collect, track, and analyze data for all industries. In this video, we will explain how to add items to the sheet and manage them. If you have not created a sheet yet, please refer to the video and document related to the sheet. Here we assume that we already have template-based and non-template-based sheets. On the sheet page, we can see all the sheets we created. For example, Inventory of Warehouse 001 and Inventory of Warehouse 002. Click the ellipsis vertical icon in the upper right corner of the sheet and select View Items. On the Sheet Items page, since we have not added any items to the sheet, it is empty. But we don't see where we can add items. Here we need to mention the concept of working sheet. Because we can have multiple sheets, if we add new items directly on the Sheet Items page, as we switch between different sheets, it is easy to forget which sheet we added the item last time. Working sheet is to solve this confusion. When you are going to add items to a sheet, you need to go to the Working Sheet page first and select the sheet you want to work on. Now, select Working Sheet from the left menu, go to the Working Sheet page, and start adding items to the sheet. On the Working Sheet page, select the sheet we need to work on, such as in this example, Inventory of Warehouse 001. Click the New Item button, and we will see the Add Item window slide in from the right. Inventory of Warehouse 001 is based on the template Inventory Management Template 001, so the fields we see are defined in the template. If you have not added fields to the template, or need to modify the fields, you can refer to the template video and documentation. Now, let's enter the value of each field. There are a few points to emphasize. 1. All required fields must provide values, otherwise, the Save button is disabled. 2. Supplier is an options type, you only need to select a value from the drop-down box, usually when setting values in options fields, the first option is the default value. 3. Amount is a formula type, and its value is equal to quantity multiplied by price. When you change the value of quantity or price, the amount will also change accordingly, and you no longer need to calculate the amount separately. 4. In this example, the barcode is a 13-digit number, which is easy to make mistakes if you type it on the keyboard. If you need to scan the barcode, we strongly recommend using our mobile app, which makes scanning incredibly fast and accurate. After confirming that the information is correct, click the Save button to save the item to the sheet. You can see that the item just now has been added to the sheet. The table shows all the items under the sheet, and paging is also supported if you have a lot of items. The order of each field in the list is determined when the field is defined. You can refer to the template and sheet non-template based videos to learn how to add and change fields. Note that Actions has 3 options. Clicking the Edit icon will slide in the Edit Item window from the right, and you can modify the value of any field under the item. Notice that the background color of the item in the list is highlighted to indicate which item is being edited. In this example, the SKU value is changed from SKU2 to SKU2 changed. Quantity changed from 3 to 5. It is worth noting that amount also changed because it is a formula, equal to quantity multiplied by price, so when there is any change in quantity and price, amount will automatically change. Click the Save Changes button to save the new changes. Now we can see that the item has been changed. Click the eye icon to view the change history of the item. When you change the value of some fields of the item multiple times, you can see which values have been modified and when through the change history. You can see that in this example, the item has been modified twice. The first time is SKU, quantity and the corresponding amount. The second time is supplier. You can click the trash icon to delete an item. The background color indicates which item is deleted. After confirming, click the Delete button to delete the item. Note that this is an irreversible operation and cannot be withdrawn. We can switch the working sheet to other sheets, so that we can add items to other sheets. Let's switch to Inventory of Warehouse 002, a non-template based sheet. Click the New Item button and enter the data for each field in Add Item window. If this is your first time using a non-template based sheet, you may not have created the fields for this sheet yet. You can refer to the sheet non-template based video for more details. Compared to the previous sheet Inventory of Warehouse 001, the current sheet's Add Item window now has an ellipsis vertical icon on the right side of each field. By clicking it, we can edit the field, delete the field, and adjust the position of the field. And an orange plus icon allows us to add new fields. Thank you for watching. You can continue to watch our other videos and documents, and if you have any questions, you can always contact us.